This isn't just a classic muscle car, it's a $250,000 beast packing a legendary 446-pack V8 that still scares modern supercars. Let's fire it up! What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're standing in front of one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, a breathtaking 1969 Plymouth Road Runner. Finished in an eye-catching orange exterior with the unmistakable A12 black hood. This isn't simply a restored classic, it's a rolling piece of Mopar history, powered by one of the most legendary big block engines ever created. With an asking price of $250,000, this Road Runner proves that true American muscle never goes out of style. The moment you lay eyes on this machine, you understand why enthusiasts around the world dream of owning one. The brilliant orange paint captures every reflection, while the aggressive black A12 hood instantly tells everyone this car means business. The functional hood scoop hints at the monster hiding underneath, and the iconic Road Runner graphics complete a look that has become legendary in the muscle car world. Walk around the front, and you'll notice the beautifully restored chrome shining like new. Every trim piece has been refreshed, creating the perfect balance between factory authenticity and show quality craftsmanship. Sitting proudly on classic Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TCA tires, this Road Runner has the perfect muscle car stance. Up front are 235 60R15 tires, while the wider 275 60R15 tires in the rear give it the aggressive look every Mopar fan loves. But this car isn't just about appearance. Lift the hood and you're greeted by the heart of the beast, a legendary 440 cubic inch V8 featuring the famous 6-pack carburetor setup. Three 2-barrel carburetors work together to deliver explosive power every time you press the throttle. This engine became famous for its incredible torque, thunderous sound, and brutal acceleration that embarrassed competitors during the golden era of muscle cars. Power flows through the durable 700-7 3-speed automatic transmission, one of Chrysler's toughest gearboxes ever produced. Built to handle massive amounts of torque, it delivers smooth shifts while remaining strong enough for hard launches and spirited driving. Sending power to the factory-style rear end is a performance-focused 4.10. 1-gear ratio paired with the dependable Sure Grip limited slip differential. Together, they provide incredible traction, allowing both rear tires to dig into the pavement whenever the accelerator is pushed. And then there's one of the coolest details of all, the authentic Road Runner horn. Instead of an ordinary horn, this legendary muscle car proudly announces itself with the famous beep beep sound inspired by the Looney Tunes character that gave the Road Runner its name. It's a fun feature that instantly brings smiles to enthusiasts of every generation. Despite all its performance, this Road Runner is surprisingly enjoyable to drive. Thanks to power steering, maneuvering this big block muscle car is far easier than many classics from the same era. Power brakes with front disc brakes provide confident stopping power, giving the driver better control whether cruising through town or taking the car out for a spirited weekend drive. Move toward the rear and the craftsmanship continues. The finished trunk shows the attention to detail invested throughout the restoration. Even the inner fender wells have been protected with a durable bed liner coating, ensuring long-lasting durability while maintaining a clean presentation underneath. Speaking of underneath, this Road Runner has received significant upgrades where it matters most. A brand new factory-style exhaust system delivers that unmistakable deep Mopar rumble. New brake lines, fresh fuel lines, a new gas tank, and updated hardware all contribute to reliability, making this classic ready to be driven instead of simply admired inside a collection. Now let's step inside, open the door, and you're welcomed by a beautifully restored black vinyl interior that perfectly complements the vibrant exterior. The classic front bench seat offers an authentic 1969 driving experience, while the matching rear bench seat provides room for passengers to enjoy the ride. Everything feels period correct, preserving the character that made these cars legendary. In front of the driver sits the iconic Road Runner emblem steering wheel, placing the famous logo directly in your hands every time you grab the wheel. The black dashboard maintains its clean factory appearance, while the factory-style radio reminds you that simplicity was once part of the driving experience. Add the Road Runner floor mats, and every detail reinforces the heritage of this incredible muscle machine. Fire up the engine and the experience completely changes. The 440 six-pack roars to life with a deep, aggressive exhaust note that immediately commands attention. Every press of the throttle sends the big block V8 rumbling through the new exhaust system, producing a soundtrack that modern performance cars struggle to replicate. It's raw, mechanical, and unforgettable. Out on the road, the massive torque pushes you back into the seat almost instantly. The combination of the powerful V8, durable 727 automatic transmission, sure grip differential, and aggressive 4. 10 gears creates an unforgettable driving experience. Every acceleration feels dramatic, every shift is satisfying, and every stoplight becomes an opportunity to appreciate one of America's greatest muscle cars. It's no surprise that vehicles like this continue to climb in value. Collectors recognize the importance of the 1969 Road Runner, especially examples equipped with the legendary 4046 pack setup. With its striking orange finish, A12 style appearance, beautifully restored interior, upgraded mechanical components, and exceptional attention to detail, this example stands out as a true centerpiece in any serious collection. At $250,000, this Road Runner represents more than just a classic car. It represents an era when horsepower ruled the streets, when bold styling captured every glance, and when American engineers built machines that became legends for generations to come. If you could add only one legendary Mopar to your dream garage, would this 1969 Plymouth Road Runner be your choice? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cinematic tour, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more incredible classic and exotic cars, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next automotive masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.